Choosing the right electric hammer can be tough. Weak impact power, heavy designs, short battery life, and limited functions often make drilling and demolition frustrating. That's where modern electric hammers stand out. With brushless motors, cordless convenience, and multi-function modes, they deliver stronger performance and better efficiency. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best electric hammers. Powerful, reliable, and perfect for home, construction, or DIY projects. We researched real user reviews and product performance to create this list. Check the description for updated prices, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Number 5. Electric Goddess Brushless Cordless Rotary Hammer. The Electric Goddess Rotary Hammer is a versatile cordless tool designed for efficiency and portability. It supports DeWalt 20-volt batteries and features a brushless motor for longer life and better power output. With a 26mm drilling capacity and 4-speed adjustment, it adapts easily to different materials like wood, metal, and concrete. The compact design makes it comfortable to handle, while multiple modes allow drilling, hammering, and chiseling. Perfect for home renovation and light construction work, it offers solid performance without the hassle of cords.
Number 4. SucceBuy Demolition Jackhammer. The SucceBuy Demolition Jackhammer is built for heavy-duty performance and serious demolition tasks. Available in 1500 watts, 2200 watts, and 3500 watts options, it delivers powerful impact energy to break through concrete, asphalt, and tough surfaces. This corded machine ensures continuous operation without worrying about battery life. It comes with multiple chisels, making it ready for various demolition needs right out of the box. The durable construction and strong motor make it ideal for construction sites, road work, or large renovation projects where maximum power is essential.
Number 3. PATUOPRO Brushless Cordless Rotary Hammer. The PATUOPRO rotary hammer combines power and portability with a brushless motor and Makita 18-volt battery compatibility. It features a 28mm drilling capacity and 3 working modes: drilling, hammer drilling, and chiseling, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. The cordless design allows easy movement on job sites, while the efficient motor ensures longer runtime and reduced heat. Despite its compact size, it delivers impressive impact force for concrete and masonry work. A great choice for professionals and DIY users who want flexibility and performance in one tool.
Number 2. GUYX 12-volt electric hammer drill. The GUYX 12-volt electric hammer drill is a lightweight and portable option designed for everyday household tasks. It functions as a hammer drill, screwdriver, and standard drill, offering excellent versatility in a compact form. Powered by a lithium battery, it's easy to carry and perfect for quick repairs, furniture assembly, and light drilling jobs. While it's not built for heavy-duty concrete work, it delivers reliable performance for small projects. If you need a budget-friendly, easy-to-use tool for home use, this one is a practical choice. Number 1. MIGOAT Cordless Brushless Electric Hammer. The MIGOAT Cordless Electric Hammer takes the top spot with its powerful brushless motor and intelligent features. Compatible with Makita 20-volt batteries, it offers strong impact performance for drilling and chiseling through tough materials. The intelligent stop function enhances safety and precision, while the ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during extended use. Its cordless build provides excellent portability, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor projects. Whether you're a professional or a serious DIY user, this tool delivers top-tier performance in a compact design.
Electric hammers have become more powerful, efficient, and portable than ever. From heavy-duty demolition tools to compact cordless drills, these 5 options cover every need and budget. Whether for construction, renovation, or home use, there's a perfect tool for you. Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.